Whoa. Hi and welcome to Solar FPV. And today I was so lucky that this was in my mail. So yeah, and this, which is a spare part for this, because I totally destroyed. I've tried to salvage this, but there's nothing much to salvage. Maybe the USBs or some of the ESCs that haven't been used. But anyway, I've got them here in case an ESC or something blows up. Spare part, right? And I think I might actually be able to solder stuff properly now, because I've got this, so I'll be, at least it's a more modern product than something like this, which is heavily oxidized already. But yeah, this will be good. There's lots of spare parts for this. So this just came in the mail, so just for smaller, it says. Very nice magnetic box. And yeah, let's take a look at the contents. You got the soldering tip for TS100. This is and then we've got like this sheet where you see all the different names for some of the different types of tips. This is the TSB2, I think. It looks like it anyway. And it's very nice. Let's take it out, take a look at it. Very nice, very nice. It even has a name, doesn't it? No. Yeah, TS. It's the TS1. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, TS1F. Something S15. Cool. It's a nice tip. It's very tiny. It's going to be very good for smaller things. What else does the packet come with? Well, it comes with this, which is a little safety instruction in English. Firmware upgrade. So it's a lot of stuff you can visit to upgrade it and everything. It tells everything about it. DC, you can use DC 5525 12 volts to 24 volts port to power it, or micro USB. So yeah, so that's pretty neat. Nice little see what we got in here. This is it. So see, it's like tiny. That's nice. Tiny. Very cool. Yeah, there's a little protective sheet on this. I'll just leave it on for now. Yeah, and then you just connect your soldering tip. So that's cool. So interchangeable solder with chips. There we go. That's the iron. I'm going to be using this, but I'm just going to pack it away. What else have we got? Then we got the ground wire, which I really don't know what to do with. I guess I could clip. I don't know. I don't have ground here. I've only got DC, so I don't even know where that goes. I guess it will be in the instructions. So there's a ground wire with a clip, and the tool and 2 screws. I guess that's just some extra screws, hex screws, which is nice. And what else we got? This M stand. So I guess this is an M stand. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's okay. So that's what it comes with. Very nice. I can't wait to try and use it. I'm not going to use it on the flight controller straight away, because I'm going to be practicing on some other bits and bobs first, like this one. Just disconnecting some of these wires and stuff, and just this doesn't work anymore, as you can see. I used it for an experiment, it doesn't work anymore, so that's a good thing to test on. And yeah, because this part came, so brand new flight controller with the UARTs intact, and yeah. Stay tuned for more, of course, because now I got the parts, and yeah, as always, fly hard.